Hello, the idea of this video will be to showcase you how you can leverage appcenter.ms to build your React Native app. In particular, how you can easily build the application from FoodTiger. So let's get started. As you can see on this screen, we are already in FoodTiger, but I will go here and I will just create a new app. So you need to enter the app name. In my case, I will enter, how do I call it, a test project. And my organization is this, and I will select a production release for Android. And my project is React Native. And as soon as I create that project, I'm able to go to the build tab. And I need to connect to a Bitbucket, Github or Gitlab repository. So the app that you downloaded from Code Canyon, the React Native app, what you need to do is docs, FoodTiger docs, okay. You will need to run the following steps first. Where is my app? Client app, okay. So you don't need this. So with App Center, you are free of all the requirements like owning a Mac computer or to have an Android Studio or so on, or a Node installation or Android Studio installation, which is really complex to set up. But what you will need to do is to change the configuration in config.js. Also, you need to rename the application. You need to change the app icon, so it's up to your standards. You don't need to install the node dependencies. So up to these 3 steps you need to do in order to make the application yours. And soon as it is done, you will need to create a repository. So I use frequently Bitbucket, so you need to create an empty repository. And then Bitbucket will tell you instruction on how to connect existing code to your repository. So make sure the repository is private, and you're good to go. One thing I want to let you know is that there are some small differences that you need to make in the code, and those will be that in Android app build.gradle there is already at the back configuration, but you will also need to create a release configuration, and you need to specify the key, the store password, the key alias, and the key password. So for this, in our documentation, you can find on how to create the sign-in key. You can use command line or Android Studio. As soon as you have that key, you are able to put in your project. In my case, it's in directly in the Android folder as production.keys. I use this keys. This is not common way to name a key store. A key store is a normal, keys is not, because I want this production.keys to be part of my Bitbucket repository uploaded. And as soon as this is ready, I think those are the only changes. You need to specify here the signing release, and you're able to upload the repository on Bitbucket or Gitlab. As soon as you have done that, all you need to do is just connect your Bitbucket repository. You will need to find your project, of course. Let me see if I find mine. It's called mobile apps. Yep, here it is. As soon as that's done, I'm able to select a branch. And then I need to configure the build. So here I need it's looking good. This will ask if you want App Center to build a new app on every new push. This is really useful. Also, you will want to build app bundle instead of together with APK. App bundles are really good for the app size. You want also to include this. I'll use timestamp. Then sign builds, so you want to be ready for production, and you want to specify that my Gradle settings are entirely set to handle signing automatically, because we control all of the building process, all of the signing process from the release and from here. So that's why I'm selecting this. I tried also not to upload key store directly, but I had problems doing that, and yeah, this way works for me. And yeah, that looks good. And as soon as you click save and build, a build process starts, and it takes around 15 minutes to complete, 1.5. And after that, you will have your Android application ready. So all you have to do is download the APK or AAB and upload that on Google Play. And yeah, you're ready to go. As soon as there is new update, you just commit the change to Bitbucket or whatever you use as version controlling. And yeah, we have tested this code, so pretty sure will not return any problem. App Center in background uses Mac machines to compile the application, so this should be really useful if you experience some problems with no dependencies or problems running the app on your local machine. And in another video we will show how you can build iPhone application without owning a Mac computer. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you will find this video useful.